Good morning, back out for another kayak hunt with my buddy Elliott and Georgie. And we have the coot raft out once again, 3 dozen of the FA coots, 1.5 dozen mallards mixed in with 1 dozen Wigeon and Pintail too, and then 6 geese off. Once again, more for confidence. It is dead calm this morning and foggy. We can hear a few Wigeon and gadwall, maybe flying or maybe sitting elsewhere on this body of water we're hunting, just setting up in some cattails. And we have a few minutes to go. Got a couple motion decoys. I got the pulsator going already, and I got the animator hooked up. So if the wind doesn't pick up, which it's not supposed to, we'll turn both those on and see if they do the trick today. Drake Pintail.
Georgie! Oh man.
He was right over, Elliott.
Oh my gosh, I thought I was gonna blow it. Good God.
I didn't hear you say take him. And then I look up and here's this pintail just hovering.
I don't know if I did. He was just hovering. Oh, thank God, I almost blew that.
Hey, we're on the board. I'm almost positive it's a Drake Pintail.
Sweet. Not bad.
Oh yeah, that's a chocolate top.
Yep.
Nice. I thought he was when he came in. Here's a pair. Pintails. Divers.
Those were teal or divers, or they divers?
I think they were divers.
Here we go, here we go.
Pintail.
Good shot, man.
Picked out the Drake.
What was it?
Pintails.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah, it was a hen and a Drake, and I could almost positive he had the white belly on him.
Nice.
Looks like it, yeah.
Yep.
That's a Drake.
Yep. Yep. Hand. He went up to me all right. My Drake was pretty, his Drake was prettier.
Only one shot on him.
Yeah, and only one shot. Look at that, that's a stud though.
That is a gorgeous
Yeah.
Pintail.
That is a beauty.
We're limited out.
Yeah, we're limited out. We shot a 2-man.
Look at the one in the decoys. Oh, Wigeon. We still got a Pintail in the decoys. We got 2 of them. Make sure we don't shoot those.
How beautiful was that?
There was like 8 yards. They're still here.
Yeah, there's 2 of them.
There's one over to your right too. Hey, we'll take some live decoys.
Yeah.
When we shoot it, Elliott, or you? Shoot it. Well, we'll let these pintails watch the pintails. Can't really spot him. You might have to jump him out.
Hey! Hey!
He's going right with the pintail.
Hey! Hey!
I couldn't get it from burning time for some reason. Yeah.
He clears to the right. Come on, how far is to the right? I think I can take that.
Nice shot.
Georgie! Man, I just couldn't get my gun up. It was stuck on a reed.
Did you see how he banked around?
Yeah.
That?
I wanted to take him right as he banked there.
That's what I was like, do you want to shoot him or do you want me to?
I was trying. I was just struggling.
Oh man,
That's a nice one.
that is a beautiful drake, especially for this early.
Yeah.
Wow,
It's a nice little sprig on him.
gorgeous.
Mm-hmm. Not quite the white on the top is the only thing that's really missing is the white's not great, but still even has its green. You see a little purple hue in there.
Yep. Yeah, that's a gorgeous, gorgeous drake.
It is. It's a beautiful bird.
So here's the spread, just coots, widgeon, mallards, pintail, and we've shot widgeon and pintail so far. We've been decoying some pintail close, so it's working out. I don't know if it's the motion, the sound. It's definitely helping, I think. It's really calm, so we need to talk to them, let them know we're here. Hard to tell how many are flying with this fog, but if they fly over us, they're giving us a pretty good look already. What is it? Oh, blue. Took me a second.
Yeah, it's a blue wing.
Blue wing? Okay, that's what I thought originally. I don't know if it was gonna land, but it's right over the spread, so
Yeah.
we'll take that. That is cool. This is so cool. Look at him, he's still going after my decoy. I've never seen this before. No. 2.5 hours after legal and still foggy. The sun's way up. I just chased the pelicans out of the spread because they kept attacking my duck decoys. So I don't know. I don't know if pelicans and ducks like each other, but I'm not taking the chance in case some more birds start to fly and show up.
There we go.
I got one. There he is. Drake greenwing. 3 came, dumped right in. Should have had another one, but got one. The other one landed out in the middle and just took off, so did not hit him, but 2 birds in the bag for me. And calling that a day. We had a set cutoff time. We had to check out of the Airbnb, but still a fun day. Had a really thick fog, and it was just kind of a surreal environment to hunt in. Just not a lot of action. I'm guessing the fog really kept the birds from flying, and if they did, they couldn't see us. But still ended with a Drake pintail and a green wing, and then Elliott also got a Drake pintail, a really nice Drake widgeon, and a blue wing teal. But that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Be sure out there and support those conservation organizations, Ducks Unlimited, Delta Waterfowl, and we'll catch you out there. See ya.